So hello, I hope you're enjoying your pool, and I've been getting quite a lot of queries about chemicals recently. So I'm going to just go over two things with you. First is what I call the pool starter kit for people who it is their first time maybe using a pool and want to get an introduction to how to maintain the cleanliness of the water. So the first thing here is the pool starter kit. It's a lovely box. It has 4 containers in it and a 5th small one. First item there is algicide. The second item here is chlorine granules. Third item here is pH minus. Fourth item here is pH plus. And then, very important, a little guide to help you through the chemicals. And the second thing is these test strips. So the first thing I would advise you to do is when you're filling your pool, or even before you do, if it's from a well or from your tap, just test the water first. So take one of the test strips, dip it in the water for a short period, a couple of seconds, give it a little shake out, and then you'll see there's a little guide on the side here, and you'll test your strip against the colours that are on it. So based on your results, you'll know if you need to add any of these chemicals to your water. They do advise, however, that whenever filling a pool, you would always put in a little shock dose of chlorine. So you would take a couple of tablespoons of your chlorine granules, pre-dissolve them inside in maybe lukewarm water, come to the side of your pool where the water is being pumped and pour it in. It's very safe to swim in the pool after pouring that in, and it'll give it a bit of time to dissolve and build up a little bit of sanitizer in the water. If on inspection then you do need other chemicals, you might need to adjust your pH by adding pH plus to it or the pH minus. Again, these you would pre-dissolve before adding to your pool water. The dosage is included in the little helpful guide that is in your starter kit. And finally, algicide. This is something that you don't need to pre-dissolve because it is a liquid, and you can add that to your water in small doses just to keep, again, the algae ongoing. Now I've gone through what's in the pool starter kit, and I would recommend this for anybody that's going with the slightly larger pool. So what is a larger pool? It would be a pool that would have a pump attached to it so that you're not refilling the water continuously, and the idea is that you maintain the water so that you're not wasting water.